Hi, my name is Zeyad and I'm a research intern at the Seattle Science Foundation, and I'm from Seattle, Washington. Here's what's happening this week at the Seattle Science Foundation. Dr. Bassam Ishaq will give a talk entitled Critical Crossroads, Navigating Spine Emergencies in the Elderly, Wednesday morning at our STED Talk series. Thursday through Saturday, we will hold our 12th annual Seattle Otology and Rhinology course, or SOAR. This 3-day intensive course is designed for practicing physicians to deepen their knowledge and improve their technical abilities in paranasal sinus and otological surgery. Lengthy sessions in the anatomical laboratory will be supplemented by brief topical presentations related to the current dissections. Self-paced learning is emphasized. The goal of the SOAR course is to optimize the time each participant is taking away from their practice by building confidence to address more complicated pathology in the paranasal sinus and temporal bone. As always, you can register for any of our courses at ssfcme.org. And thank you for your support of the Seattle Science Foundation.